Well, everybody's got their rifles they're comfortable with. Mine is the 270. With my son, it's the 243. But it's not just about being comfortable. It's about bringing all the parts of the gun together so they'll perform at an optimal level.
We've got a good, stable platform to shoot from. We've got sandbags, everything we need to make sure that we eliminate the variables in accuracy.
Scott Boger is all about precision and perfection.
Everything that we build and all the products we make, we thoroughly test before they leave to make sure they're going to perform.
Performance Gunworks is their name, and getting guns right in the workshop is their game.
For the most part, factory rifles do a pretty good job as far as accuracy and hunting and everything goes. A lot of people are just not satisfied with the average, so they come here and get custom work done to make an average rifle above average.
And above average improves accuracy, and that gets the most fun out of your gun.
Accurate rifles are the only interesting rifles that there are. The more you can hit, the more pleasure it gives you, the more pride and a sense of accomplishment it gives you of being able to hit your target.
Whether it's from getting an accuracy package or a fully customized turkey rifle, Scott helps us bear down better on the bullseye. The proof is in the pattern, and that's especially important in turkey shoot competitions where X marks the spot.
Typically the shoots will shoot at an X in the center of the target, and whoever gets a pellet closest to the X wins. So would you rather have this one or this kind of concentration?
These custom chokes pattern the pellets to near perfection.
Last shot with the 638 choke. See which one this thing likes the best.
Winner, winner, turkey dinner?
Winner, winner, turkey dinner.
In Yadkin County,
Awesome.
I'm Austin Cavanis. That's This Week Outdoors.